Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to post in Hootsuite. To start, let's first go into the posting section to make a post of our own. Over here at the left, click the create button to start creating a post. And then we'll be sent over to our composer. While in the composer, find a link that caught your interest. For mine, it's just a simple YouTube link. All you need to do is paste your link into the text field along with your post text. This can be anything you want, and it won't affect the link whatsoever. Hootsuite will generate a link preview if supported by the social network. Otherwise, no video will pop up and might catch the attention of your average social media scroller. Once you're done, then you can simply post this as you would normally with any other posts. And that's everything you need to know about how to add a link in Hootsuite.